Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Monday, June the 23rd. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures are ticking lower as investors mostly brush off war worries after the U.S. struck nuclear sites in Iran over the weekend. Oil futures are higher by less than 1% after the attack. Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures are 0.2% lower after the indexes notched modest losses Friday. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are down 0.3% after the blue chip index eked out a gain to end last week. Bitcoin, which dropped to $99,000 over the weekend, is up 2.5% to about $101,500. Gold futures and the 10-year Treasury note yield are little changed. Number 2, Tesla shares are rising less than 1% in pre-market trading after the electric vehicle maker on Sunday launched its driverless Robotaxi service in Austin, Texas. In a post on his X platform, CEO Elon Musk said the launch was the culmination of a decade of hard work. Dan Ives of Wedbush wrote Friday that Tesla's market capitalization, currently hovering just over $1 trillion, could start down the road to doubling in value by the end of 2026 if the Robotaxi launch went well. Number 3, shares of Chicago-based financial services firm Northern Trust are up nearly 5% in pre-market trading on a report that Bank of New York Mellon, or BNY BK, is in discussions to acquire its smaller rival. The Wall Street Journal reported that the chief executives of BNY and Northern Trust had at least one conversation regarding a merger. BNY shares are little changed. Number 4, Novo Nordisk said on Monday it would halt its collaboration with Hims and Hers Health over the sale of weight loss drugs. The two companies had announced a collaboration in April for Hims and Hers to sell Novo's blockbuster Wegovy weight loss drug through a bundled offering on the telehealth company's platform. Shares of Hims and Hers are down almost 20% pre-market this morning. Number 5, major U.S. insurers said they would speed up and simplify the prior authorization process. Health Insurance Trade Association, HIP, said the changes would be implemented across insurance markets, including commercial coverage, Medicaid managed care, and Medicare Advantage plans, and benefit 257 million Americans. The changes would affect patients covered by insurance providers that include CVS Health, United Healthcare, Cigna, and Humana. The move comes after the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson last December brought attention to the prior authorization process. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.